Demo music created by MusicGen. Hello, welcome back to AutoGPT tutorials. If you're as fascinated by the blend of art and technology as we are, you're in for an incredible treat today. We're going to take a deep dive into a revolutionary new tool that's pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence and music creation. You guessed it, we're talking about MusicGen, the music generation model developed by none other than Facebook AI. What makes this tool absolutely astounding is its ability to convert text into music. Yes, you heard that right. It transforms plain text into melodies and harmonies, opening up a world of limitless creative possibilities. So, if you're a music enthusiast, an AI enthusiast, or both, you'll definitely want to stick around for this video. We'll explore the ins and outs of MusicGen, demonstrating how it functions and discussing its potential impact on the world of music and AI. Grab your headphones, because this is going to be a melodious journey you don't want to miss. Let's get started. MusicGen is a music generation model developed by Facebook AI. It is based on the AudioCraft framework and is trained on a large dataset of music. It can generate 12 seconds of audio based on a description that you provide. You can also optionally provide a reference audio from which a broad melody will be extracted. The model will then try to follow both the description and melody provided. All samples are generated with the melody model. Here are some of the features of MusicGen. Can generate 12 seconds of audio based on a description. Can optionally provide a reference audio from which a broad melody will be extracted. All samples are generated with the melody model. Still under development, but has the potential to be a powerful tool for music creation. Here are some of the limitations of MusicGen. The model is still under development, so it may not always generate the desired results. The model is trained on a large dataset of music, so it may not be able to generate music that is outside of the genre that it was trained on. The model is not yet available to the public, but it is expected to be released soon. Overall, MusicGen is a promising new music generation model that has the potential to be a powerful tool for music creation. It is still under development, but it has already shown some impressive results. I am excited to see how this project develops in the future. Let's try MusicGen and create music. First, you go to MusicGen demo page, link available in the description. MusicGen. This is the demo for MusicGen, a simple and controllable model for music generation presented at Simple and Controllable Music Generation. Describe your music. For example, I input a happy, upbeat song with a catchy melody. If you have any audio, upload here. Next, generate now. Generating process start now, so wait some time for complete process. It's take few seconds. Check other examples. You choose any describe examples like this. And optional musics. More details. The model will generate 12 seconds of audio based on the description you provided. You can optionally provide a reference audio from which a broad melody will be extracted. The model will then try to follow both the description and melody provided. All samples are generated with the Melody model. You can also use your own GPU or a Google Colab by following the instructions on our repo. More info, visit this GitHub repo page. After complete your generated process. Click Download tab and download your music. So you use MusicGen and create any type of music. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look into MusicGen, the cutting-edge music generation model from Facebook AI. This incredible tool is redefining the intersection of music and AI, transforming the landscape of creative possibilities. Just imagine, with tools like MusicGen, you could generate a unique soundtrack for your next YouTube video, or perhaps compose a soothing melody for meditation, all by just typing text. It's incredible how AI continues to break barriers and push the boundaries of what's possible. Remember, this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, we can only expect AI to permeate further into the realms of music and art, enriching our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow music lovers. Let's spread the word about the amazing opportunities that AI has to offer. Don't forget to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. We love hearing from you, and your input helps us make better content for you. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. We've got a lot more AI news, tutorials, and insights to share with you. Thank you for watching and for being a part of our AutoGPT tutorials community. Until our next video, stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of AI.